Hi, I am so excited. I have unboxed this new Body Ritual Trio. I'm still learning the name, and I just can't wait to share this with you. So I have them laying out here on the counter so we can play with them. And I don't know about you, but I'm guessing that you're like me, and the thought of aging and our skin showing it is not really something we're excited about, right? So that's not the plan. And I think about all the damage I did to my skin in my younger days, sunshine, all of those kinds of things. So let's look at what's going to nourish our skin from the outside. And we're also working on nourishing our skin from the inside, but that's a different chat we're going to have. So the three products in this trio, which I just think are so cool, the first one is the Nourishing Body Lotion, and we'll have a chance to play with that a little bit. The next one is the Revitalizing Body Wash. Come on, camera, you can adjust. There we go. There. And one of the things I'm really appreciating is the way that they've labeled these and marked these. These are just so pretty. And then this is the Restore Serum. Come on, camera, you can do it. There we go. And I have never used a serum before. That's never been part of my routine. So I'm really excited now that these have arrived to try those. But the easiest thing for us to try would be the hand lotion. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And yes, it does come sealed, but I have already opened it because I wanted to take the foil off so that this would be a little easier to do. So let me see if I can get an angle here where you can see. And I'm just going to use a little dab. Do you see how much that is? I mean, we're talking about not very much at all. I'm going to go ahead and rub that in. And what I've noticed with this is that it has almost an imperceptible fragrance to it. And it smells kind of deserty to me, something like that. I don't know, you're gonna have to try it and see what you think. But it feels so good on my hands. And part of what I really appreciate and that I worry about in products that I buy off the shelf is that this company makes sure that they don't put in over 2,500 different ingredients that other companies do use. And that's a little scary because I don't know if you've been checking out the difference between products that are in the UK, for example, and products in the United States. And a whole lot of our products in this country, the UK won't let in because there's so much junk in them. I know, that's kind of scary, right? Okay, so let's look at this body wash. And, you know, I couldn't figure out how we could do an example of this, so we're not going to. But I thought I would put a little bit in my hand just so we could kind of see what it's all about here. I thought that'd be kind of fun. Oh, and you know what? I bet it's got the seal on it. Yes, it does. Awesome. I appreciate that so that this won't leak and all those other bad things that happen in packages, especially if you're traveling. You ever had something leak while you're traveling and get all over everything? Like, ugh, not fun at all. Okay, so let's see what we're doing with this. Oh, okay. Ooh, nice and thick. And I think you all saw I just put a little dab in. Oh, and it does. It has a nice little fragrance, but you can tell. I mean, I'm having to put my hands right up to my nose to smell it, so it's not strong. But it's really nice. I don't know how to describe it. It's a clean scent. So let me wipe that off and let's look at this Body Restore and see what that's about. I'm pretty excited because I have not used a serum before. And okay, so reading off of the back of this, it says Restore Body Serum, affirming nutrient-rich, age-defying treatment for the body. Okay, now they got me right at age-defying treatment for the body. It's like, yes, sign me up. I want to try this. So let's see what this is about. And I'm not sure if this lid, oh, it just pops right off. Okay, good to know. And it looks like it's a foam or something. I'm not really sure. Oh, it's a squirt, but it's not like a squirt squirt. Okay, and I've just put a little dab. Oh, this feels really nice. Oh, wow. Okay, so I should probably read the ingredients and see how we're supposed to, read the directions, see how we're supposed to do it. This helps with the breakdown of collagen. And I'm taking my collagen 9 faithfully every day just to help with that because I know that that's a real problem. And this protects against premature aging caused by free radicals. And it's using a potent blend of hyaluronic acid and antioxidants from polyphenols. Awesome. Which leaves skin looking firmer and younger with better tone and texture. Okay, that's the part that we all want to know. And directions: apply all over clean, dry skin, allow to dry, and then layer with body lotion. Ooh, that just sounds so awesome. I am excited about that. So, thank you very much for joining me as we look at these new products. And if you want to know more about them, just get in touch with me. I have a few samples, and or I can hook you up online so they can come directly to your house. Thanks.